Hello students, welcome back. In this session we are going to discuss some of the problems given in the examination point of view. Now we are going to discuss the fourth problem. This is set 3, question number 4. Let me read out the question. The top view of a line 80 mm long line measures 55 mm, means the top view is 55 and the front view is 65. The end of a line AB is 40 mm above the HP and 30 mm in front of VP. Consider end B is nearer to the VP and far from the HP. So let me write down the given data from this question. There is a line AB 80 mm and the front view A dash B dash is 65 and AB, the top view is 55 and one of the end of the line AB is 40 mm above, means A dash is 40 mm above the HP and A is 30 mm in front of VP, and another point, that is B, is far from HP and B is near to the VP. So let's start the problem. XY, I'll be locating the A point, that is 40 mm above the HP and 30 mm below the VP. This is A dash, this is A, this is 30 mm, this is 40, right? Let's draw the locus lines. LL of A dash, LL of A, right? Now the front view is given 65 mm, so let's measure 65 mm with the compass and draw an arc on this, right? So this point would be B2 dash, right? And let's measure the top view also, that is 55. This point would be B1, right? So just draw the perpendicular from B2 dash down and B1 up. Next, measure the true length, that is 80. Keep on A, draw it. This would be B2 point and this would be P1 dash, right? Now draw the locus lines from that particular point. This would be locus line of B2 and B, and this would be the locus line of B dash and B1 dash. Means already it is drawn with the arc. This arc is 65 and this arc is 55. So this end point would become B and this end point would become B dash. Now you can see under A dash you will be lying with the A. Now see B dash and B, both are on same line. Let's show you. See here, under B dash your B is coming, right? This is a projector line. Okay, now finish off this. This is front view 65. This is true length 80. This is top view 55. And this is true length 80, and this arc is locus arc of B dash. This is locus arc of B. With the given data, we have finished the problem. Let me read out the question once more. The top view of the line, a 80 mm long line, is 55. See here the 55, and the front view measure 65. See here 65. The line of end of the line AB is 40 mm above. See here 40 mm above. This is origin 1. This is origin 2, and 30 mm in front. 30 mm in front. Consider B is near to the VP, far from HP. See here. This is nearer. Let me measure it. This is 75, and see here this length is 75, and far from HP. See here from the origin this is 95. So far from HP, near to the VP. Far from HP, near to the VP. So with this we have finished this problem. I hope everyone understand how to draw this type of problems. Okay. Thanks for watching, and do subscribe the channel and follow it regularly for the upcoming engineering drawing solutions. Thank you.